Just wanted to quickly share what I'm up to on this beautiful Sunday morning. So I have these 2,000-liter rain barrels, and winter kind of crept up on us, and I completely forgot to empty them. The valves were frozen solid in the closed position, and if they were to sit over winter, the pressure from the ice would crack all these valves and they'd be garbage. So I came out here with a blow dryer and just focused all my attention in this area and managed to get the valves open, which will help a little bit. And I was pushing on these and it felt like they were completely frozen solid, but it's just the outside. I got this one open, just kept the blow dryer on it, and it's actually flowing. So I just shut off the blow dryer for a minute so you could hear me, but still trying to get this one to drain. If I could get some of the water out of here, at least it'll take off some of the pressure and maybe be able to salvage these. These weren't cheap. I got this rain barrel flowing. Normally in the fall, I take out this downspout. Usually it's feeding into the rain barrels. I normally take that out in the fall and then open up these valves and drain them completely and leave the valves open all winter. But I forgot. But thankfully, I got things flowing. I got 2 more rain barrels in the front. They're just 55-gallon drums, but they're frozen too, so I'm gonna head over there and see what I can do. These front rain barrels are completely frozen. You can see the downspout feeds into this one. Once it's full, goes into this one. When this one's full, it just drains out away from the house. But I got this one flowing. That's good. Take some of the pressure off the valve. So I just came back to check on these rain barrels and they're still draining, which is really good. I think I saved them. And these rain barrels are very important to us. They are for watering our garden and for water during the summer. But for whatever reason, I just completely forgot about them.